Cryptocurrencies have gained immense popularity over the years, with Bitcoin paving the way as the first decentralized digital currency. As of now, the market is flooded with thousands of cryptocurrencies, each offering unique features and use cases. The question of which coin to buy now depends on a variety of factors, including market trends, technological advancements, and personal investment strategies. Let's delve into some of the top contenders in the crypto market and why they could be worth considering in today's market. 1. Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin remains the gold standard of cryptocurrencies. With a market cap that dwarfs other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is seen as a safe haven asset in the digital world. Its limited supply of 21 million coins makes it a deflationary asset, often referred to as digital gold. Bitcoin's adoption continues to grow, with institutions adding it to their balance sheets in countries like El Salvador adopting it as legal tender. As of now, Bitcoin is trading at a relatively stable range, making it a solid choice for long-term investors who believe in the store of value narrative. 2. Ethereum, the backbone of DeFi and NFTs. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap and serves as the foundation for most decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. It's the go-to platform for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and decentralized finance, DeFi projects. Ethereum's transition to Ethereum 2.0, which involves moving to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, has made it more energy efficient and scalable. This upgrade has solidified Ethereum's position as a leader in blockchain innovation. For investors looking to capitalize on the growth of DeFi and NFTs, Ethereum remains a strong contender. 3. XRP, revolutionizing cross-border payments. XRP, the native cryptocurrency of the Ripple network, focuses on facilitating fast and low-cost cross-border payments. Ripple's partnerships with financial institutions worldwide have made XRP a practical choice for real-world use cases. Recent developments in Ripple's legal battle with the SEC have provided clarity on XRP's regulatory status, boosting investor confidence. If you're looking for a cryptocurrency with strong utility and institutional backing, XRP could be a smart addition to your portfolio. 4. Cardano, a research-driven blockchain. Cardano is a third-generation blockchain that emphasizes scalability, sustainability, and interoperability. Its research-first approach ensures that each upgrade is thoroughly vetted, making it one of the most secure blockchain platforms. Cardano's Alonzo upgrade introduced smart contract functionality, enabling developers to build dApps on its platform. With a focus on real-world applications such as supply chain management and identity verification, Cardano has the potential for long-term growth. 5. Solana, the high-speed blockchain. Solana is known for its lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees, making it a favorite for DeFi projects and NFT marketplaces. Its unique consensus mechanism, Proof of History (POO), allows it to process thousands of transactions per second. Solana's ecosystem continues to expand, attracting developers and investors alike. If you're looking for a blockchain with high throughput and scalability, Solana is a strong contender. 6. Polkadot, connecting blockchains. Polkadot aims to solve the issue of blockchain interoperability by allowing different blockchains to communicate and share data. Its innovative parachain technology enables developers to create customized blockchains tailored to specific use cases. Polkadot's emphasis on scalability and security has made it a favorite among developers. As the demand for interoperable solutions grows, Polkadot's value proposition becomes even more compelling. 7. Chainlink, the Oracle Network. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that bridges the gap between blockchain smart contracts and real-world data. Its technology is crucial for applications in DeFi, gaming, and insurance. As the adoption of smart contracts grows, so does the demand for reliable Oracle services, making Chainlink a promising investment. 8. Litecoin, the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Litecoin offers faster transaction times and lower fees compared to Bitcoin, making it a practical choice for everyday transactions. Its long-standing presence in the crypto market and active development make it a reliable option for those looking for a less volatile investment. 9. Dogecoin, the meme coin with a cult following. What started as a joke has now become a cultural phenomenon. Dogecoin's community-driven nature and endorsements from public figures like Elon Musk have kept it in the spotlight. While it's more volatile than other cryptocurrencies, its low price makes it an attractive option for speculative investors. 10. Stablecoins, a safe bet. For those looking to minimize risk, stablecoins like USDT, USDC, and BUSD offer stability by pegging their value to fiat currencies. Stablecoins are ideal for earning interest through staking or as a temporary store of value during market volatility. 11. Pepcoin, a newcomer with potential. Pepecoin has gained traction as a speculative investment, riding on the popularity of meme coins. While it lacks the technological foundation of other cryptocurrencies, its strong community backing makes it a high-risk, high-reward option. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptographic technology for security and operate on decentralized networks, typically blockchain. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, was introduced in 2009 as a decentralized form of digital cash. Its success paved the way for thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each offering unique features and utilities. Ethereum introduced the concept of smart contracts, enabling developers to build decentralized applications, dApps, on its blockchain. Over the years, the cryptocurrency market has evolved into a diverse ecosystem, including DeFi platforms, NFTs, stablecoins, and more. If this guide inspired you, hit that like button, share it with someone looking for financial freedom, and subscribe for more actionable strategies.